The Pacific Beauty is going to be more costlier from 1st January 2026. There should be implications of new taxation policy from 1st January, and the global tourists should pay more amount of money what they actually predicted earlier. And these taxations will be a global development policy and a new innovation for the earth. And let's discuss on the end of 2025 about the innovation strategy of the climate fund from Hawaii. 2026 is ready to set the domination for the Greens, and the biggest breakthrough is going to launch from 1st January 2026 in Hawaii. And the Pacific Island Beauty from the 2000 miles southwest from United States is going to launch the first time climate tax from the tourist. And this is an innovations idea has been planned since last year, and this is going to launch tomorrow on the eve of 1st January 2026 on the first day of 2026. And this is an exclusive idea that's going to take around $100 million target projects for the climate development and the sustainability on the projects for the green fund, and also the sustainable development of the ocean and the coastal areas of Hawaii. The country is ready to launch the global perspective, and the country is ready to launch the missions to give a message worldwide that this is the time to take a climate taken actions from 2026 with the climate taxations around an 11% of taxations without lodging, and overall it will take around 14% tax from the tourists and also the people who will going to visit the Hawaii. According to Honorable Court of Law from the Hawaii on the Transition Accommodations Tax on the TAT form on the Act of 92, the Hawaii government already announced that from 1st January 2026, it will be a 14% tax from tourists on regarding on the climate funds on around on an average of $100 million on a target in every year. And this will be the innovations idea from the sustainable process. By the end of 2030, it will be innovation ideas for the climate disaster management policy on the targets of the safe and security for the indigenous communities and who are facing the extreme crisis on the islands. We all know around the world more than 70% islands under crisis of the disaster of climate trauma, and this will be the innovations for the safety and security and the displacement crisis and the disaster, and also an innovation platform for the new generations and the new future of the world. Hawaii has already created the history of the economical policy and the global geopolitics on the regarding of the climate fund and also the climate tax. And this will be the innovation idea globally where countries are facing extremely trauma from the climate disaster.